Happy morning, everybody. Welcome to Superb Story Time, a time where we listen to wonderful, beautiful short stories and we draw life skills, life lessons, and life values from them and become thought leaders. This is a very old story, a story of a village where there was a Lord Shiva temple. People are not taking good care of the temple. The temple lies in ruins, shambles. Its condition was pathetic. It was sad. It was not kept. The Shiva Ling was not properly prayed on a daily basis. Lord Shiva, when he came to know that there is this village and there's this temple, he was very unhappy. He came down and he was very unhappy. And Lord Shiva, everybody knows about his anger. And he cursed the entire village. He gave a shrap. Shrap is a curse in Hindi. He gave a shrap that there'll be no rains. You have my temple. You made a temple and choices have consequences. You're not taking care of it. It is so poorly kept. You have not been praying. You have not been doing anything. I'm cursing you that there'll be no rain from now. And he went off. Parvati, Mata Parvati saw that and she said, "Oh, this is a very big curse." Obviously, Lord Shiva was very angry, and people were like scared. So what happened? Oh my God, what a big mistake we have done. We'll not have any rains. And they immediately started cleaning up the temple. They constructed the broken parts. They started doing this. And within weeks, all were ready. They started doing the puja, thali and ghanta, everything they started doing. But nothing. They apologized, Lord Shiva, please forgive, and all the other things. Nothing was happening. Nothing was happening. There was this one person in the village. What he did was he realized his mistake. He prayed. He'll pray. He'll pray for 1 or 2 minutes. He will do his regular rituals of praying to Lord Shiva, and he'll go to his land and he will do all the necessary things, plowing, tilling, whatever is needed, all the work he will keep doing it. And this kept on going for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. 1 year, this man will come, he'll pray, he'll go to the temple, just 1 minute, 2 minutes. Everybody else had stopped. They said, "What is this? What is the point in doing this? There is no rain. Who has cursed us? Lord Shiva, the most powerful and the most adamant of the gods, have actually cursed us. What is there to do? We have a little bit of water. They're managing the wells and all. The water level is slowly started to go down. All this, this thing, Parvati Mata, wife of Lord Shiva. Parvati Mata was watching all this. She went and said, Shiva, Lord Shiva, I understand you are disrespected. Your temple has not been kept properly. They're all doing it now and they have learned the lesson, but it is a very strong one. You have given that there will be no rain at all. This is very, very, this thing. Lord Shiva was still angry. He said, "No, they deserve it. They have no, how can they treat me like this?" In fact, Lord Shiva is one of the toughest to please, and when gets angry, he is the most disastrous also. She says, Mata Parvati says to Lord Shiva, "Please think about this. There are children. There are old people. Children, what is their fault? I know you want to punish them, punish them. What about it?" Lord Shiva thinks, okay, okay, see, I've given a curse. I cannot take it back. I have given a shrap. I cannot take it back. I will give one way how they can come out of it. If I play my damru, Lord Shiva has a damru. He has a small kind of a musical instrument, like a drum, which has got certain ropes and got things tied to it. Damru, dig, 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 they do that. Okay, so he has his damru. If I play the damru, it'll start raining. That is the maximum I can do. Now don't trouble me. Okay, this if I play the damru, rain will start to come. Okay, else don't bother me. They deserved it. I understand. No. But deep in the back of the mind, Lord Shiva had already made the plans. I will not play the Damru. These people have to deserve. They are not the right people. They should deserve my anger, my wrath of anger. They have, in fact, I've given them a very small, they should have deserved more. I'm not going to play the Damru at all. Okay, it is just to please his wife, because otherwise, this thing. Now, she also had no other choice. 1 year got passed, 2 years, 3 years. Now the water is literally gone down. People are realizing they cannot do anything. But this one guy every day will go pray. He'll pray, he'll say, apologize to God, he'll go and do his work. Everybody will laugh. What is this fellow? Curse is there. There is no rain. Take a look at the sky. There is no clouds at all. 5 years passed. Land has started to crack. No water in the wells. Now they go to the neighboring villages to get some water for any other. Everybody started working. People started to move out. They left. They said, this is a cursed village. Nobody came to the village. No functions happened. No marriages happened. People are leaving. You youngsters are leaving. This man every day, 5 years will come, he'll go. Mata Parvati saw that. She'll say, oh my God, even this man's wife will say, are you a fool? Nobody's going. Everybody is waiting. They're crying, they're praying. But you are every day going there. You're a fool. Looks like you gone nuts. But he'll say, please, this is my work. I need to do. Otherwise, I'll forget it. Otherwise, I'll forget it. This is all my regular routines. I have to go ahead and do it every day. But his wife said, you're a madman. 7 years passed. Very big. The whole village, the tragedy is bigger. Oh my God. Everybody is still asking for forgiveness. Mata Parvati is seeing. But our Lord Shiva, leave it. I'll not pay the Damru. Now, 11 years are passed. 11 years are over. The whole place. But this guy comes, does prayer, goes, does everything. He'll plow the land and all the things. Mata Parvati is so impressed by this one man's dedication. Everybody making fun, including his own wife. Mata Parvati goes to Shiva. Says, Shiva, very nice about this village. Wonderful, and I can see you're punishing them very well. But, however, I have a small doubt. There is this one guy. Every day he goes and he does the work. Crazy fellow. Stupid fellow. He goes every day to go and he'll go and till the soil, do everything, plant, put the seeds, come back. He's doing all waste things he's doing. Yeah. And he tells his wife, he's telling his wife, otherwise I'll forget everything. I have a question to ask Lord Shiva. You have not played your Damru for 11 years. I think you've forgotten it. I think you have also forgotten it. Mm-hmm. He said, me? I have not forgotten. He takes play. And when he plays, what happens? Rains come. Rains come. Curse is lifted. It is over. Okay, so obviously Mata Parvati tricked the Lord Shiva into doing that. And however, rains came, and then who benefited? Who benefited at that time? Only this one man, because his lands were ready. Whatever seeds he plowed started to grow. Everybody else got left behind. Everybody was, oh, now rain are coming. What do we do? What do we? We have no idea what to do. Many of us have no idea what to do. Many of us are not sure how to do things at all. They've forgotten all the steps, methodologies, everything. But this man was the one who got rewarded. He had a very bountiful of harvest, and Pongal is coming very well, and he celebrated Pongal. The other couldn't do anything. They lost an opportunity. What did we learn from this simple, beautiful tale? A simple story to tell us the power of habits, tell us power of our rituals, power of our routines. It is what you do daily defines you. What you do daily defines you. It is not about doing once in a way, once in a while, once in an occasion. It is what you do, what you put in your work every day. Brick by brick, drop by drop, and hit by hit. Every single day you will start to see. It is people in this internet age, they think that things will happen just like that. It is not possible. It is all about if things have to break, they break like that. But if it has to build drop by drop, step by step, brick by brick, every day, be consistent, whatever happens. Successful people, they know the importance of putting in their rituals and all the things.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.